To check student grades, go to the Google Calendar, click on the weekly checklist at the top of each day, then click here and open up the weekly assignment checklist. On the weekly assignment checklist, you'll notice on the left-hand side we have each subject grades here, and so you can click on those. Those are hyperlinks, and they will take you to the Schoology homepage for that specific course. So if you want to find out current grades or missing assignments for language arts, you would click on language arts, open up the link, and then once you get to the course homepage, you'll notice there is a grades button on the left. You can click grades, and this will show you every assignment that the student has been assigned, that they have completed, or that they are missing. You will know if a student has completed an assignment if there is a score in here. For example, the Smart Futures Career assignment shows a 20 out of a 20. You will also notice that there are some that are marked missing. So this brainstorming discussion post, it will have an orange hexagon that says missing, and that means that the student still needs to complete it. So they can simply click right on the link here, brainstorming discussion post, and it will take them to that assignment to complete. You'll notice that there are due dates next to everything, so you can keep up with that. And then, of course, you also see some assignments that have dashes next to them, and that simply means that we have not graded those assignments or the students have not done them yet. So this is one way that you can check your students' grades, and we highly recommend checking them at least once per week. Please reach out to us if you have any questions.